Welcome to etvFutures.com. It's Tuesday, October 30th. I'm Remy Hokie for Commodities Recap. NYMEX crude oil futures fell 3.4%, trading down for the first time in 5 sessions. COMEX resumed production at their oil facilities in Mexico. Meanwhile, a Goldman Sachs survey pointed to an increase in U.S. crude supplies. By the end of the session, December crude ended down by $3.50 to $90.38 a barrel on the NYMEX. The contract ended at a new record high of $93.53 a barrel yesterday. The EIA and API will release separate inventory data on U.S. petroleum products Wednesday morning at 10:30 a.m. Eastern Time. In other NYMEX products, November fell 8.46 cents or 3.6% to close at $2.22.2428 a gallon. Meanwhile, November heating oil fell 4.66 cents to close at $2.04.18, and December natural gas added 4.9 cents to close at $8.023 per million BTU. Over in the metals complex, COMEX gold futures ended down as traders await the rate decision from the Federal Reserve tomorrow. Also, falling crude oil prices led traders to lock in gains. December gold closed down $4.80 at $787.80 an ounce on the New York Mercantile Exchange. December silver fell 10.20 cents to close at $14.328 an ounce, and December copper fell 3.95 cents to end the session at $348.15 a pound. This afternoon, we're joined by Bobby Firestone, analyst at Alaron Trading. He'll recap today's session in energy and metals prices, and he'll also give us his short-term commodities outlook.
Well, today the NYMEX threw a big bucket of ice water on top of the bulls. The rampant, overly leveraged speculation that many people believe is going on in crude oil has been calmed down a little bit by the exchange increasing the margin requirements. Now, it's the second time they've actually done it, but this is the first time it's actually had an effect on the way the market has moved. Now, we saw it gradually move down through the entire day, and then we saw a big sell-off of a little bit over $1.50 in the last hour or so of trading. So, I know that's actually had an overriding effect of relative to any of the other news that's been in the market. Heading forward into tomorrow, obviously we have inventory reports. But on top of that, we also have to keep an eye out for what does the Fed do. Expectations are going around looking for a quarter-point rate cut. Is it going to happen? Probably. Do I think it's the right thing? Probably not. Now, I do say there is a chance that the Fed's not going to do anything. If that happens, we're going to see we should see the dollar get stronger, and we should see commodity prices all come off a little bit. We should see gold come down a bit. We should see crude continue today's downward action. But overall, I'm not too encouraged by that. We also may be looking at a situation where we're talking about buy the rumor or sell the fact. Everybody's expecting something out of the Fed. So even if they do it, we could see an easing here in many of these markets that have run rampant. Now, a little word of note: there's been a lot of coverage on the up day. Unleaded was up at a higher percentage, and today's down day, crude is down at a higher percentage. So we're starting to see that start getting. And we should expect to see more of that pass-through happen over the next few weeks, and expect to see that situation actually show up in the inventory numbers as we see refined over the next few weeks.
That was Bobby Firestone, analyst at Alaron Trading, with his commodities commentary. I'm Remy Hokie. Join us later this afternoon for PM Exchange right here on etvFutures.com.